Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize merchant dispute evidence upload in Chase, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing a merchant dispute evidence upload in Chase, log into your Chase account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section located in the menu. Select the account related to the transaction in dispute. Locate the transaction you want to dispute within your transaction history. Click on the transaction to view its details. Look for an option labeled Dispute or Report a Problem. Follow the prompts to initiate the dispute process. You will be presented with various reasons for disputing the transaction. Choose the reason that best describes your situation. After selecting the reason, you will see an option to upload evidence. Click the Upload Evidence button to begin the evidence submission process. Prepare your documents or evidence files that you wish to upload. Make sure each file complies with Chase's requirements for file type and size. You can typically upload documents like receipts, emails, or any other relevant correspondence. Select the files from your device or drag and drop them into the upload area. Once the files are selected, confirm the upload by clicking on the Submit or Upload button. Review the submitted documents to ensure everything is correct and in order. After confirming your evidence, finalize the dispute by clicking on the Confirm button. You should receive a notification confirming that your dispute and evidence have been submitted. Keep a record of the confirmation details for future reference. Check your email for any communications from Chase regarding the status of your dispute. Finally, monitor your account for updates or further instructions from Chase related to the dispute resolution process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.